So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to write a book, how to edit a scientific book. And here is one of my very new books with me, and I will explain about these books, and then I tell you about the how to edit a new books. So it's really hard work, lot of hard work you have to do for this book. And this book about marine biotechnology studies and application. And this editing this is a book about marine biology. And here is the we are the editors here. And we have so many chapters in these books. We have already 10 chapters in these books. This is different chapters. And in these chapters, all people written these chapters. So different chapter contribute. It's called contributing chapters. And it's not writing with we are not writing this book, we are editing. Actually, there is a two kind of books: editing books and writing a books. Writing a books called author book. And editing different chapters, collecting the different chapters and submitting for the publisher, and they are publishing is called chapter editors, chapter editing process. And this I am talking about the chapter book editors and book authors. They are writing entire book themselves. Maybe one or two people writing enter the books is called authoring a book. So like a novel, 2 3 people writing full books, full like a 200 300 pages of book. And they are writing all these figures, all these chapters, all these everything they have written. So this is called authoring. But we are editors. What we do, we are collecting the chapters from the different author chapter authors. We send the email to write to them. Then we are collecting these all these chapters, and we give some times, and they will write these chapters, and they are sending us. So we collect all these chapters and we submitting, and we publishing like this really good book. This book is like 328 pages. So now I'm going to show you how you can edit a book. So this is the first what we can do for the book editing. You have to subject of the book. This is polymer materials for sustainable energy applications and energy applications. So this is a topic of the book. And this is here the with different tables like chapters, titles, subtitles, synopsis, and pages. So this is called the table of contents, TOC. It means you can see the chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, etc. And you have to write each chapter's titles. So here chapter 1 and chapter, which chapter we are going to write. And then you have to subtitles. What will be the subtitle in these chapters? Also synopsis. So here we have a table: chapter, title, subtitle, synopsis, and pages. This is a main for book editing. So first you have to get a very good knowledge about the topic, and you have to write a 10 or 12 chapters you can read. For example, if I am a PhD and polymer science or biomaterial science, and I know that which topic, which contents in that book will be there. So you have to write, you have to think about the topic first, and it can be a general, it can be narrow, it can be wide, but wide is not really good to write a book proposal or book. You could be a narrow topics. So then only you can write different chapters, and you know that which chapters, which topic will be there in that chapters. Each chapters you can write, that means table of contents. The people, for me, I can take like half an hour to make a one table of content, because I have 15 years of experience. I have written 55 books. I edited 55 books, 15 years, like writing skill, like making a book skill. And then if you do not have any experience, you have to try with this, and you can write the table of contents. So this is a really first one. You have to take a topic and table of contents, and then you can take the book proposal form. You can see the book proposal form, for example. Okay, this is a form of Springer Nature. So which this means you are proposing to Springer for writing a book. So here they have a lot of questions, and I will show you some other proposal. And here you can see the some proposal of elsewhere. They have also some questions and writing something about the book. So there are many questions, and you have to fill. Mainly important, they are asking the name of the editors, who is going to write, and co-editor. If you have a co-editor, you can write. And this is a biography of the editor. For example, you are writing, you have to biography about the short biography. So this is a proposed title. You can hear the proposed title, and then some other questions about the book. It's like you have to write a contributing volume or not. As you can see, I am an editor, so you will collect the chapters from the authors. And this is how many chapter, how many numbers of pages of this book. And other one is like when we will finish. When you finish, it means when you finish all books to send to the publisher. Accepting the publisher is, we always give a 1 year from now. So it means you have to, you can be extended also. It's not really need to finish that time. And here is some table of contents. So we have already made this table of contents, but we will add table of contents for this in email. So when we are sending this proposal by emails, so you will add this proposal. And then coming the description of the book. So this is a description of the books, what you can write about this book. So like a half page. And keywords, you have to write keywords, and some unique selling point. And this is a really main question they are asking. Please list author of already published and your primary readers, something like it. What is the similarity of the book. So you have to add some similarity book, competing title, the similar book you have, and that one you have to write here. Mainly they are asking three type of three books. You have to write the title, and you have the when it's published, editors, and what is the difference between your proposing book and their published books. So that's some of the like questions. So mainly you have to write like three books. So then some other small questions. So this is all about the publishing questions. And then it's not about all publishers are say similar. It's completely different. You have a very very different form of the each publishers. We have Springer, Wiley, and many other elsewhere. So here also the proposal form is almost similar. So description of the book, you can see that, and the keywords also the similar, and some what will be the primary audience, a secondary audience, something like that questions, and table of content. In here you can no, this is the competition. Yes, this is also the competition book. So in all book proposal they have the competition. You have to write the competition books. So it's like a which if you are selecting the topic, you have to write the similar topics, similar books, because you have to prove that your book's proposal very different from that proposal. This is the main important thing. So we write like this, and we included the three books, and we are writing what is the difference between our books. Specification, you have to write what the specification of this book, and then table of contents. This is what I said. Table of content, you have the different chapters, different title, different subtitles, and you can when you write the table of content, you have to write the authors. These authors is not they are not even what is they don't agree with you to write this chapter, but you have proposed them, they would write, but it's not really mandatorily proven by them. No, this just write some names of people, those who are working related to the working field, and then put uh, this names and affiliations and everything. So then you have to write after the table of content, you have to write chapter structure. So it's like a chapter structure means it's what type of the synopsis about the chapter writing, something like that. And then you can go to the website of this Wiley and Wiley or Springer. You can take the you can take the email address of this person who you need to submit. So this is very important, who you are going to submit this your book. And then for example, you have to fill this proposal, you have to write the table of contents for the book proposal, and you have to give the CV of the person who are working with this book, and then send to the email attachment email. This is a main we are always doing this one. And then the people from the publisher, we are sending this book, they are reading this book, and they will give the if they are rejected, of if they are accepted for the publication. And then accepting the publication, you have to start the writing to the other people to write the chapter or not. So this is I will explain in my next video. So right now, bye bye.